Hello everyone. Today we are going to study Williamson's synthesis of ethers. Myself Dr. Digna Varghese. Williamson's ether synthesis. The Williamson ether synthesis is an organic reaction. It is forming an ether from an organic halide and a deprotonated alcohol. This reaction was developed by Alexander Williamson in 1850. Typically, it involves the reaction of an alkoxide ion with a primary alkyl halide via an essential reaction. We have already studied essential reaction. This reaction is important in the history of organic chemistry because it helped prove the structures of ethers. The reactant in Williamson's ether synthesis is that it is an alkyl halide, and the reagent used for the synthesis of either is sodium alkoxide or potassium alkoxide, and the reaction condition is high temperature, and the product formed by the reaction is ether. So this reaction is known as Williamson's ether synthesis. When alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide or potassium alkoxide at high temperature, it will give ether. So here a general representation of an alkyl halide, that is Rx, that reacts with a sodium alkoxide. The reaction medium is heated. After heating, the sodium reacts with halogen of the alkyl halide part and producing ether, that is this R combines with the alkoxide part of sodium alkoxide and forming a ether plus an alkyl halide. Here you can see an example for Williamson's ether synthesis, that is when bromomethane reacts with sodium methoxide giving on heating giving methyl dimethyl ether and sodium bromide. Here you can see the sodium bromide eliminated from this small type, and also the methyl is joined to this methoxy group. So it is a methoxymethane or dimethyl ether, and alkyl halide is eliminated from this reaction. Here it is sodium bromide. Another example is that ethyl iodide reacts with sodium ethoxide and forming by the elimination of sodium iodide we will get diethyl ether. Another example is when ethyl iodide reacts with sodium methoxide on heating, it will eliminate sodium iodide and forming ethyl methyl ether or methoxy ethane is produced by the elimination of sodium iodide. Okay, so Williamson ether synthesis is the synthesis of ethers from an alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide or potassium alkoxide on heating give ether. Mechanism of the reaction. Alkoxide from the sodium alkoxide part that will react with the alkyl halide carbon that will eliminate halide part here and forming an ether and halide ion that will react with the sodium ion present here. Okay. Formation of ether by dry silver oxide. There is another method for the formation of ether by using a reagent dry silver oxide. Here you can see an alkyl halide reacts with dry silver oxide. Its formula is Ag2O, and on heating it will give by the elimination of two silver halide and forming an ether molecule. Okay, this is a general reaction. Here you can see an example for the formation of ether by dry silver oxide. Here you can see two molecules of methyl iodide that will react with dry silver oxide. On heating, what happens? You can see here the silver reacts with two iodine molecules and form silver iodide and also ether. Here you can see dimethyl ether and silver iodide is formed. So, when heated with dry silver oxide, the alkyl halides yields ether. Okay, so there are two reactions. One is Williamson's ether synthesis, and also the second one is the formation of ether by dry silver oxide when treated with alkyl halides. So this reaction is very important. Thank you. Bye for now.